I just wanted to come on here and show y'all real quick something I picked up at Walmart. It's nighttime, I'm not doing anything. I washed my hair earlier and I did like a braid out. So I'm letting that dry because it's still wet. Probably won't be dry for like 2 days. I'm just keeping it real. So what I got at Walmart. So I returned those darker shorts. The ones that I got that were like these. I returned the darker ones because, you know, I just wasn't feeling them. I wasn't gonna wear them. And this is what I got. So they had these gray pants. And as you can see here, I have 2 pairs of gray pants that are a lot darker. So I wanted one that was this lighter, you know, shade. And they had these. So I picked up these. They are like a legging type, but they do have pockets in the back, no pockets in the front. These were $11. They fit really, really well. Let me try them on. So these are them. This is how they fit. 360. They fit up on me, okay? They're size medium, which is a size 8 to 10. The pockets are capped. This isn't real, but the back ones are. Okay, they're long. They're not cropped. They come all the way down to my ankle, and they feel soft. I just like the color of them. I also got this pink shirt. You know, gray and pink are just a nice combination of color to put together. This light is kind of bright. Can't even really see myself. But I bought this. This was $1. I got a small. And then I also bought this yellow because the springtime, it's a little bit different. It's like my other ones. But I like the color of this. It is a medium because I don't think they had, well, no, I think the other ones that I have are medium. So I just went with medium instead of small. They also had this. And I might not get a chance to wear this until it gets cold again. But I've been wanting something like light blue. So that when I wear like jeans that are this color, it's just a nice like monotone shade of blue. And I love that for me. But yeah, those are the things that I got. And of course, anytime I see like white ribbed tanks, I'm gonna buy it. So they also had this on sale as well. This was like $4. But this is cute the way it's cut. As you can see, you can tuck it into these pants. But yeah, this is just a short video. Just a short video. But anyways, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.